Hello traders, hello investors, how are you guys doing today? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. Today is Friday, Tesla is going up 0.10% right now. Let's do our multiple time frame analysis on it. Let's see how Tesla is doing in the short, mid and long term. However, first, you gotta subscribe to this channel if you're new around here. Why? Because I'm here every single day to update you guys on Tesla and on other stocks as well. And if you are already my subscriber, just remember to click on the like button to support this channel. When did I ever disappoint you, right? So seriously, like this video, subscribe. Thank you very much. Let's see Tesla's price action. Guys, in the short term, in the 1 hour chart, we see a crystal clear resistance level around 725. Remember, 725 is an area, okay? It's not a magical, specific, precise number which Tesla could find a resistance level. In fact, today we went up a little bit higher to 730. However, we could not close above this resistance area and we dropped it sharply, closing at $718, almost where we are right now. So today was a quite boring, meaningless day, but it is interesting because we still have the key point at this resistance working as a possible bullish pivot point. What do I mean with possible bullish pivot point? Because if we actually break 725, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do a higher low and a possible higher high. If we trigger this point, I think we're gonna retest $771 again, the next resistance. Maybe 760 is over here. Either way, I think we could bounce back up nicely by breaking 725. In addition to this resistance, we have a support level at the EMA, which is working as a support level today. Usually, the 21 exponential moving average or any moving average, could be exponential or not, will be useless during congestions. Okay, we see the price dancing around the EMA, ignoring it completely. However, today we did find a support level at it, meaning we could reverse if we react from here and if we break 725. We could actually trigger a very nice bullish structure in the short term, meaning we could fill this gap. Why the 7771 is a target? Because it is an open gap in Tesla. And remember, Tesla always fills the gap that appear above the price. Always, 100% of the time. And we do have one open gap over here, another open gap at 8860s up here. So I do believe we have more upside potential right now. But first, we gotta break 725. We are in bullish territory already by trading above the 700s, which is this red line over here, which did work as a support level multiple times, resistance level multiple times. This point is the game changer for Tesla. Above it, it's bullish. Under it is bearish, okay? Right now we are in bullish territory again, meaning a breakout of 725 is not only possible but desirable and more likely to happen than losing the 700s again and retesting, I don't know, 653 again. Okay, so this is the most likely scenario in my humble opinion at this moment in the daily chart. We have a few things to watch. Next week we have earnings. Surely this is gonna bring some volatility for Tesla. In previous earnings, we see that usually, regardless if it is good earnings or bad earnings, it doesn't matter too much, but every time we saw Tesla report earnings, it feels like it only enhanced the movement that the market was already doing. So here, for instance, Tesla reported good earnings. We bounced back up very, very nicely just to fill a previous gap, and then we continued the drop. Here, in this case, the volatility increased a lot as well, but in the end, the main trend did speak louder. Over here, it was a good earnings as well, But in that case, Tesla went up very nicely because the trend was very strong on the Nasdaq already. Here, we have a similar scenario on July 2021. We bounced back up nicely, we lost strength, we dropped it all the way down to the previous point where Tesla started going up, just to resume the bull trend because the Nasdaq on July, by the end of July 2021, was trying to engage a bull trend over here, which only materialized on August 2021. So, see, Tesla will just enhance the main trend. This is why it is so important for the Nasdaq index to break its previous resistance level, which is at 11.6, 11.7k over here. This possible double top chart pattern. If the Nasdaq frustrates this bearish chart pattern over here, I think it's going to be very good. I think we're going to seek 12.5k easily. The S&P, the key point is still the same old key point, 39.45. By breaking this black line, I think we're going to consistently trade above the 4k again, and would be the first bullish structure seen since we did a breakout of this double bottom chart pattern on March 2022. So this is going to be very important, very meaningful. The S&P is in a very strong and sharp bear trend in the weekly chart. By breaking the 39.45 is going to be the first pivot point in the weekly chart since we started dropping this year on January. So 2022 has been the worst year ever for stocks, but by breaking this pivot point, I do believe we're going to see a mid-long term reversal pattern on the broad market as well, and probably Tesla will benefit a lot from this movement because Tesla is a very volatile company. It has a higher beta than usual. So yes, I firmly believe Tesla will perform amazingly well in this scenario. But first, we gotta break our resistances both on the S&P and on the Nasdaq, and Tesla gotta break 757, this black line over here. By breaking this black line, as you guys can see, the Nasdaq index is quite similar to Tesla, right? So by breaking this point, Tesla will easily break the 800s and will reverse the bear trend for good. Okay, for the first time since I don't know, since April, right? We are trying to consistently trade above the EMA. The EMA is not now pointing downwards. It is totally flat. We are dancing around the EMA. So, okay, the bears are losing strength. In the weekly chart, the bears are losing strength in a key point, in a support level, which is 621, which was July's support level 2022. Okay, so yes, I think this black line is holding the price nicely, but it is still a bear trend, okay? So we gotta be careful. But by breaking 757, we're gonna do the first bullish reversal structure seen in many months, and then I do believe Tesla is gonna fly again. If you ask me, I'm not necessarily bullish right now because I gotta wait for the breakout. This is the main difference between amateurs and professionals. Professionals wait for the breakout before assuming Tesla will fly again. Let's wait for the breakout. Jesse Livermore, the greatest trader that ever lived, said that. So professionals wait for confirmation. Gamblers, they just do what they think is going to happen. They try to predict the market. No one can predict the market. We can just react to what we see. Now, what could frustrate this bullish thesis? If Tesla loses this purple trend line down here, okay, by losing this purple trend line, then I won't be convinced that Tesla could actually go up anymore, and probably we're gonna retest 621 again. So, okay, but as long as we are above this purple trend line, great. I think Tesla is doing just fine, and it has decent chances of turning bullish for good. We just gotta wait for the breakout, alright? So this is it. Are you guys still watching this video and you guys are not my subscribers yet? So seriously, you probably liked the content, right? So subscribe to this channel, click on the like button as well. After all, you liked the video. Are you still watching this video? So click on the like button. Thank you very much. I'll keep you guys updated every single day. So Keep in touch, stay safe my dear friends, have a great weekend.